This is a demonstration of the insulation in the Lincoln MKZ. First step is remove this glove box, and then we're going to move this piece of trim. There's actually 4 bolts on the back side that we're going to take out, and then this piece can pull free. Remove the glove box dampener, just price free. Remove the 4 bolts behind the back of the trim panel. Okay, with the bolts removed, now the piece can be pulled free. We use a pry tool on the very end to get it started. And kind of to the instrument panel, we're going to pop that corner up just a little bit. And from the back side, you can visualize where the screws were at. Next is the 4 screws, 2 on each side of the radio. It pulls free to expose the connectors in the back. That's all. And that completes the installation.